Hi, I'm Peter and I'm the Kitchen Gamer. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy quiche. So let's grab some eggs and jump right in. In a deep fried pan, saute your onion and garlic. Also, don't forget to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit on fan bake. Now add your mixed herbs, oregano and basil, making sure to combine them with the onion and garlic. Then remove from the heat and set aside. In a bowl, add your eggs and flour. Then mix it together until there are no lumps left. With it smooth, add your cheese and mix it in. After a short amount of time, add some salt and pepper. And again, mix it in. Add the contents of your bowl into the pan, along with adding the frozen veggies. If you like, you can add fresh veggies instead of using the frozen ones. Then stir it all together. In an oven-proof dish, coated with oil if you choose, transfer the uncooked quiche to the dish, not forgetting to give it a bit of a stir to distribute the veggies and cheese around the dish. Then put it in the oven for 45 minutes. With the quiche done, cut it into the desired amount you'd like. I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to make this quick and easy quiche with me today. Don't forget to leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see made, along with hitting that subscribe button to stay informed when the next video comes out of the oven. So, until next time, enjoy the kitchen.